What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you some friend mail that I recently received from the most awesome community in the entire world. So let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video, I sincerely appreciate it. This is going to be a fun one where I open up some friend mail that I recently got. I'm going to open up these packages, see what's inside, and then we'll come back, and I definitely want to shout out all the channels that sent me stuff, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so I got everything opened up, and wow, what an incredible amount of awesome things from, again, the greatest community in the world. So very cool. I'm so thankful for you all sending this to me. Now, some of these pieces are trades or things that I purchased, stuff like that, so I will talk about them as I go through the stack, but in here we have silver, gold, copper, and clad. We have poured items. We have so many cool things. So let me go through all of this here, and I'll talk about all the channels. And of course, I will put links in the description down below to all of these channels and people here if you want to check them out for yourself. And if you'd like to send me anything, I always put my address, my P.O. box down in the description below. So let's start with the gold. Okay, so we got this piece of gold right here. And it is super cool. It's 1 gram. It is from the Perth Mint. You can see that there. 1 gram of pure gold. Oh my goodness. So really, really cool. It's in this assay card. So that's very nice. We got the specifications. It is 4/9 fine. Really, really cool. Now this was sent to me from the Amateur Investor off of YouTube. So if you've not checked out the Amateur Investor, definitely check out his channel. And I do have a couple other things as well. He sent out these cards, really sweet. I will show you because some people know. One of them is, I believe, a Joker. I did not get a Joker, but I think if you get a Joker from him, you get like a little extra something special or something like that. He did send me this cool keychain as well from Australia. Super sweet. So thank you so much to the Amateur Investor. I'll show this here. I'm actually not keeping this piece. I will be giving this piece away. So this 1 gram of gold will be given away live on my channel on the 12th. So December 12th, 2019, I'll be giving this away absolutely free to one of the people watching the Coast to Coast live stream. So if you haven't been to a Coast to Coast live stream yet, it's one that I do with Yankee Stacking. On December 12th, it will be on my channel, 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern time. And if you want to win this 1 gram piece of gold, you got to be watching that live stream, and you can try and win it. So we'll ask a question in the chat. First person to guess it right will be the winner. So very, very cool. Thank you so much to the Amateur Investor for sending that to me and sponsoring Coast to Coast Stacking. Keeping along with that theme, I got something from Silver Stealer and Winning Image Photography. They are man and wife. They both have their own YouTube channels. He says, thank you, and check this out. We got a couple Mercury dimes. He says, watch my new trailer coming soon. 2 dimes, a couple stickers for 1 lucky winner. Silver Dragons, here are 2 of my new channel stickers. Keep one for yourself. Give away the other along with WIP's sticker to a giveaway winner on Coast to Coast. I hope you like the new sticker and that it reaches you in one piece. Your friend, Silver Stealer. Okay, so there you go. Now, I'm going to be including these 2 pieces of silver. These are both Mercury dimes with the gold. So someone will win those and the gold. That'll all be 1 giveaway. And, of course, you'll get those stickers thrown in there as well. And then I'll keep 1 for myself. Thank you so much, Silver Stealer. Those are actually really sweet. It says 2019 at the bottom, but we're rapidly approaching 2020. So very cool. Definitely check out Silver Stealer and Winning Image Photography. Okay, moving along to Lakehousebeach. Now, I'm just going to show you the pour first. Check this out. Oh my goodness. Lakehousebeach has been absolutely killing it with the poured silver. This is 3/9 fine. And I think it says on the back, yeah, here we go. 1.3 OZT and LHB. And there's a 2 at the bottom, so I guess this is number 2 in the series. But that is his stamp right there. So very cool. I'm loving it, and I'll show you his sticker. So if you haven't checked out Lakehousebeach, definitely do so. He's new to silver pouring. I think he's only been doing it for 1 or 2 months, but he's coming at it hard. He's got a lot of really cool pieces. Let me show you this here. This is the COA. So it's the Castaway Kit Kat. Very, very cool. It's the number 2 in the series, so that's awesome. Thank you so much, Lakehousebeach, and that is actually a trade, so I will be pouring him a piece and sending it off his way. He says, "What up, bro? Here's a Kit Kat I poured for you. Hope you like it, LHB." So very cool. Thank you so much, Lakehousebeach. I love that Kit Kat. That will go into my poured silver collection. So absolutely beautiful. You're doing a great job over there, my friend. Okay, a couple of stickers here from MrPOPSZILLA. He says, "Love the pours in the channel. Stay stoked and stack on. Ya heard." And rock on, bro, of course, at the top. So thank you so much, MrPOPSZILLA. These are really cool stickers. I'll have to put these on my sticker board. I think I'm working on board number 3, or I might be on to board number 4 now. I'm not sure. I got to review where I'm at with my sticker boards, get those added. So thank you so much. This 1 ounce piece of silver here was from Clever Coin. He says, "My bad. Thanks again." Yeah, so Clever Coin, and I recently bought some silver from him, and he forgot to throw in one of the bars. So he's sending me the bar there. Really, really cool. That was that massive unboxing that I recently did, if you were wondering. Okay, I'm going to get to all of these coins here on the corner at the end. Let me keep moving my way around. Now, this piece right here, this beautiful poured piece of silver, I believe is called the Sleeping Dragon. Now, this is absolutely gorgeous. I just had to have it when I saw it on Instagram. I did buy this piece, but it is smoking. It is 1 ounce-ish. I think it might be a little bit heavier, but there's some other stuff here, so I'll show you this. Jacob's Engraving, hashtag Silver Stackaholic. That's really cool. And let's see, Greg Jacobs is the owner, so I guess contact him if you want a piece like that. But look at this here. This is like leather. Really, really nice. So it says Sleeping Dragons, year produced 2019. It is 3/9 fine silver, 1.2 troy ounce, antique and hand poured. So that is awesome. And I believe this actually is a 1 of 1. I think I have the only one like this. So at least so far, maybe he'll do more in the future, but that is really cool. And I love that COA. I've never seen a COA quite of that quality. And he's got sticker here. Really, really cool. So it looks like he's, oops, got it. I got to put it the right way. He's pouring some silver there, and it's like coming off the bottom of the sticker too. That is awesome. So thank you so much for that beautiful piece. As soon as I saw it, I had to buy it, but yes, I did purchase that one. So anyway, moving right along to Lady Bullion. Check this out. We got the challenge coin from her, mintage of only 94. So serial number founder. That's insane. So it's not even serial numbered. I will show you that in a second. But she's also got her beautiful sticker. And if you haven't checked out Lady Bullion, you got to check her out for sure. And she is on Instagram as well. So that's really cool. She did have this note here. Silver Dragons, wanting you to have one of my founder coins as a thank you for everything. All the shout outs, emails in the beginning when I had no idea what I was doing and still don't. Oh, come on. And just allowing me to be part of the Silver Dragons world. Shine on, Lady Bullion. That's so cool. Lady Bullion, you're doing a great job with your channel. I love all your content. And let's check out the founder coin that she sent me. Oh, yeah. I'll pull it out here. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, obviously, this is copper. It says shine on. Let's check it out over here. 2020. And it's a Lady Bullion symbol there, like her emblem. So really, really cool. Beautiful piece. And I love this case as well. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous case. She even said Silver Dragons on it. So that is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Lady Bullion. That is an awesome piece. And that'll definitely be going in the permastack for sure. Now I'm going to show you this piece here in a sec. But first up, Northwest Stacker off Instagram sent me a couple slaps. So thank you so much, Northwest Stacker. Those are really, really cool. Have to add those to the sticker board as well. Now this one here, this is crazy. I didn't even expect, this randomly showed up. Let me read it. There's a note here. In fact, I'll just show you the note. I guess you can read it yourself there if you like. But it's 2 silver dragons. And really, really cool. So thank you so much, my friend, for sending me this. It is a 2012 Singapore International Coin Fair Panda, I guess, number 374 out of 10,000. So really, really cool. And the gentleman's name is Shun. But let me show you this gorgeous piece here. Now look at this. Comes in a wooden box. Let's get it out. All right, and we'll open it up. Certificate of authenticity. We got number 374. And look at this. Look at those pandas. 1 ounce AG 999. Super cool. Super cool. And such a limited mintage as well. Only 10,000. But let's show you the other side here. Oh my goodness. Singapore International Fair 2012. That's really, really cool. So I think it's actually considered a metal. Let's see what it says on here. Yeah, silver metal. So it's not a coin, it's not a round, it's actually a metal. So that's really awesome, but it is 1 ounce of 3/9 fine silver. It's a beautiful panda, beautifully toned. Thank you so much, Shun, for sending me that, for supporting my channel. I really appreciate you. That is absolutely gorgeous. So I'll put that there. Thanks again for that. Beautiful, beautiful. Now this piece right here, this is super cool. This, people have probably been wondering what it is. It is a tee, so a golf tee. And I don't think there's any stamps on it, but it is silver, and it's cast very nicely. So very, very nice. There is some, you know, little, I guess like porous parts in the silver there, but really, really hard to cast things without those. All in all, I say really excellent job casting. I'm very impressed. But let's read the note here. So it says, Silver Dragons couldn't stamp it. My stamp is too big, but it is 90% junk. Gemini Silver Works. So thank you so much, Gemini Silver Works, for sending that to me. So I guess it's 90% silver, so it was made with junk silver. But really, really cool silver tee. I do make silver golf balls. I'll have to try and make a tee like this in the future. I don't know if I'll be able to make one quite this nice, though, but that is gorgeous. Thank you so much for sending that to me, my friend. Okay, now, lastly, I have this massive pile of coins over here in the corner, and it's from a gentleman named James. He lives in the UK, and he sent all of this to me. Now, I'm pretty sure most of this, if not all of it, is clad, but I'll show you some of the pieces here, and you could tell me. These are old coppers from the UK. Show you one here. Just randomly pull one out. See if we can get it to focus. I have seen these before. So it says 1 penny, 1913 at the bottom. So pretty cool. Really, really cool, actually. So a bunch of those and some other UK coins as well mixed in there. And then not only did he send me UK coins, but he actually sent me some US coins as well. He said, I'm sending them home. So he sent me some clad US. One of them is a Wisconsin quarter there. But really, really cool. So thank you so much for that. They're home now. I'll probably give those to my kid, and then he can maybe buy something at the Dollar Tree. My 5-year-old loves going to do stuff like that, so that'll be awesome use for that. Now, he sent me a bunch of other coins as well. These are world coins. I've got no idea what any of these are, but some of them are very unique shapes, and they're very cool. So awesome, awesome. Thank you so much for that. He did send me this one here, which is very beautiful. I think that's Queen Elizabeth. Let's see what this side says. 1953. Yeah, QE2 on there. So that's a really cool piece. Never seen anything like that. This one's cool because it has Churchill on it. So that's really awesome as well. QE2 on that one. I believe that's a clad piece. And then these ones here, it says like a commemorative coin from 1977. So that's really cool. I've never seen anything like that before. I don't know anything about that one. I believe this is a commemorative as well. Very, very cool. Thank you so much for that. Not really sure what it is. I mean, it's got Queen Elizabeth on it there. And let's see, July 29th, 1981. Oh, Lady Diana Spencer. If anyone knows anything about that, maybe they could say something in the comment section. And then lastly, he sent me this little piece here, which I don't know what this is. I think it's clad, but it kind of looks like gold. I mean, it is gold colored, but I have no idea what it is. And I'll show you the other side. It's kind of got this interesting stuff on it, sort of like, it looks like a, I don't know, a smudge of something or other. But I know that sometimes gold can have this weird stuff happen to it like that, sort of like the copper toning, like the flecks or whatever. But I'm going to be perfectly honest, I think this is clad. I do not know what this piece is. If anyone knows what this piece is, definitely let me know down in the comment section. But it is a very cool coin, so thank you so much for that as well. So anyway, that was all of the friend mail. Of course, definitely check out these channels. I'll have the links down below in the description. And if you want to send me anything, my P.O. box is down there as well. I love opening stuff and showing the stuff I get from the community. This is such an amazing community of people. So thank you so much to everyone who sent me stuff. Don't forget to show up to Coast on the 12th for a chance to win the gold and the silver that I showed at the start. I do want to say a massive thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.